Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn 11 tips for positive thinking which will help you stay motivated, empowered and optimistic. Positive thinking is a powerful way to improve your mental health, which can lead a better physical health, stronger relations, and overall happier life. So let's get started with these 11 tips for positive thinking. Tip number one, focus on the good. Our first tip is to focus on the good. Train your mind to think the good in every situation, even if it's difficult. The more you focus on the positive, the less you will dwell on the negative. Tip number two, surround yourself with positive people. In this tip number two, you will learn to surround yourself with the positive people. The people you surround yourself with will influence your thoughts and your emotions. So, choose people who are uplifting, encouraging, and supportive. Tip number three, practice gratitude. In this, you should understand the gratitude take times each day to reflect on what you are grateful for. So this will help you focus on the things that bring joy into your life rather than dwelling on the negative. Tip number four, exercise daily. So exercising every day, you keep yourself fit. Exercise is a powerful way to boost your mood and promote positive thinking. It releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Next tip is positive affirmations. Always keep positive affirmations in yourselves. Repeat positive affirmations to yourself daily, such as I am capable, I am worthy, and I am enough. This will help you rewire your brain to think positively. Tip number six, learn from mistakes. How we learn from mistakes, don't dwell on your mistakes, but use them as an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, no one is perfect, and mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Tip number seven, accept and embrace the change. Change is the law of nature. Change can be scary, but it's inevitable. It's fixed. It will happen. Embrace change and look at it as an opportunity for growth and new experiences. Tip number eight, take care of yourself. You are the master taker of yourself. So treat your body and your mind with kindness and respect. Respect yourself. Practice self care by getting enough sleep, eating well, and doing things that make you happy. So stay always happy. Tip number nine, don't compare yourself to others. When we compare with others, it becomes very tough. So don't compare. Everyone is on their own journey, and comparing yourself to other people will only bring negativity into your life. Focus on your own progress and growth. Next one topic is topic number 10, positive visualization. Positive visualization. Positive visualization, it's a kind of motivation. It brings yourself, your goal, and your imagination positive outcome. This will help motivate and empower you to keep going ahead. And next one is make time for what you love. Give your time. Our final tip is to make time for what you love. Do things that bring you joy, happiness, and you will become happy. This will promote positive thinking and create a sense of fulfillment in your life. In conclusion, I would like to say that's all for our 11 tips for positive thinking. Positive thinking has the power to transform your life and make you happier, healthier, and more motivated. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine and watch as your positivity and optimism grow. Thank you for watching, and we will see in next video. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.